Let us uncover the simple money habits that have the power to completely transform your financial future. Small changes today that can lead to lifelong freedom. You might be surprised to know that small, consistent actions, like saving just $5 a day, can turn into thousands of dollars over time. It's not about earning more, but managing what you already have smarter. Let's see how these simple changes can truly transform your financial future. We often think that financial success comes from big breakthroughs, like winning the lottery or landing a six-figure job. But the truth is, it's the tiny money habits you practice every single day that make the biggest difference. Simple things like tracking your spending, paying yourself first, and planning your purchases can set the foundation for long-term stability. In this video, we'll look at how these small, easy habits can help you gain control of your money and give you the freedom to live life on your terms. Most people today struggle with the same financial traps: living paycheck to paycheck, swiping credit cards for every little expense, and feeling stressed when bills pile up. It is not always because they don't earn enough. It is usually because their money habits don't match their goals. Think about it. How many times have you bought something on impulse and regretted it later? Or delayed saving because it felt too small to matter? These little decisions slowly drain your financial health. The good news is, by changing just a few of these habits, you can shift from being reactive with money to being proactive. Let's talk about a few powerful habits that can change everything. First, create a simple budget. Not a complicated spreadsheet, just a clear picture of where your money goes each month. Separate your needs like rent, food, and bills from your wants, like eating out or subscriptions. This awareness alone can cut your spending by 10 to 20%. Second, automate your savings. Set up a transfer from your checking to your savings account the moment your paycheck arrives. Even $20 each week adds up quickly. You'll be surprised how fast your balance grows when you make saving automatic. Third, practice mindful spending. Before buying anything, ask yourself, do I really need this? Or, will this purchase move me closer to my goals? Most of the time, that pause will save you money. Finally, invest early and consistently. You don't need thousands to start. Even small investments, when compounded over time, can grow significantly. The earlier you start, the better your chances of building real wealth. Let me share a quick example. Sarah, a teacher earning a modest income, started saving just $50 every month and investing it in a low-cost index fund. She stayed consistent for 10 years, never skipped a month. Today, her portfolio has grown to over $10,000, and she didn't need a big salary or inheritance to do it. What changed? Her habits. She learned that it's not about how much you make, but how consistently you manage and grow what you have. Her story is proof that anyone can take control of their financial life with discipline and patience. Another habit that can make a massive difference is tracking your expenses daily or weekly. It sounds tedious, but when you see exactly where your money goes, it becomes easier to cut unnecessary spending. You might notice you're spending too much on coffee runs, food delivery, or impulse online shopping. Just being aware can help you make smarter choices and redirect that money towards savings or investments. Next, learn to set short-term and long-term financial goals. Without a goal, money easily slips through your fingers. Set realistic targets, like saving $500 for emergencies or paying off a credit card in 6 months. These goals give you direction and motivation. When you achieve one, reward yourself in a small way. It keeps the habit exciting and sustainable. Also, focus on building an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. Medical expenses, car repairs, or job loss can happen anytime. Having even 3 to 6 months of expenses saved gives you peace of mind and keeps you from relying on debt. Start small. Even $100 can make a difference. It's not about how much you save, but how consistently you save. Avoid lifestyle inflation. When people start earning more, they often spend more too. Instead of upgrading your lifestyle every time you get a raise, use that extra income to grow your savings or investments. Imagine saving 50% of every pay raise. Within a few years, your savings will skyrocket without changing your standard of living too much. Another important habit is paying off high-interest debt as soon as possible. Debt keeps you stuck in a financial loop, and the interest eats away at your future savings. Focus on clearing small debts first. It builds momentum. Once one debt is gone, move to the next. This strategy not only improves your credit score, but also frees up money for more meaningful goals. Practice gratitude for what you already have. Constantly comparing yourself to others can lead to unnecessary spending just to keep up. Instead, shift your mindset. Appreciating your progress helps you stay grounded and content, reducing the urge to overspend. Gratitude keeps your focus on growth rather than material competition. Learn to educate yourself financially. Read books, watch videos, or listen to podcasts about money management. The more you learn, the more confident you become in handling your finances. Understanding how money works, from compound interest to basic investing, helps you make smarter choices that grow your wealth over time. Don't forget to review your finances regularly. A quick monthly check-in lets you see what's working and what's not. Adjust your budget, update goals, and celebrate small wins. Progress may seem slow at first, but with consistent review and reflection, your financial journey will stay on track. These small money habits don't just grow your bank balance, they build confidence. When you have control over your spending and savings, you worry less about emergencies or unexpected bills. You start to feel empowered because you're no longer letting money control you. The peace of mind that comes from financial stability is worth more than any luxury purchase. It's the foundation of true financial freedom. Now, think about your own life. Which habits could you start today? Maybe it's tracking your expenses for the first time, or setting up an automatic transfer into your savings account. You don't need to change everything overnight. Start small. Consistency matters more than perfection. The goal is progress, not pressure. Every good habit you build is a step toward the financial future you deserve. So let's recap. The habits that can truly change your financial life are simple. Create a realistic budget, automate your savings, spend mindfully, invest early, set financial goals, build an emergency fund, avoid debt, and keep learning about money. None of these require huge sacrifices, just commitment. If you start small and stay consistent, you'll not only improve your finances, but also reduce stress and gain peace of mind. Now it's your turn. What's one money habit you plan to start today? Share it in the comments below, and let's learn from each other. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and check out my other videos for more simple financial tips that can change your life forever.